Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix your missing Safari on iPhone. And this is quite simple, but first, if you can see, I can't find my Safari just right here. So if I scroll down and search for Safari, I still can't find it. So what we gotta do now is we go to our settings, click on settings, then you need to go to screen time right here. And then we need to go to content and privacy restrictions. Then from here, click on allowed apps and features. And now please turn on Safari. Here on this setting or feature, you can see all the apps that you want to turn on or turn off. So right now, if we throw this away, you can see that Safari is back here and we are back here on Safari. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.